Hi guys and welcome to the channel. Today we are doing an unboxing of DJI RS3 Pro Gimbal, which is an expensive toy at $1,200, which is how much this combo costs, but in my opinion this is definitely worth every penny. Expanding on the powerful features of Ronin series, DJI RS3 Pro is advanced camera expansion platform that gives videographers and providers coordinated shooting solution for professional crews the ability to expand the features of the Ronin series. With it, nothing is out of reach anymore. The first thing we can see in the box is this carrying case, which looks very nice and practical. Here it is, baby, the RS3 Pro, which looks really amazing. The first details that catch my eye are these red lines, and the RS3 Pro uses extended carbon fiber axis arms to allow more balancing space for professional cameras, and this is amazing. Let's move on to the other things. In this magic compartment are all the parts of this carrying case, and let's say a sentence about each of them. The new extended lower quick release plate provides a more stable camera mounting and is convenient for installing a lens support for more secure setups. The next generation DJI RS focus motor provides torque 3 times stronger and reduces audible noise by 50%. This provides smoother focusing experience and reduces the effect of audio recording. It also adopts a quick release structure, allowing it to be assembled easily without tools for faster use. RS3 Pro supports 2 official video transmission solutions besides DJI transmission. The Ronin image transmitter provides HD live feeds, remote gimbal and camera control, Active Track 3.0, Force Mobile and many other features. Next up is the tripod, which is beautifully designed and perfect to use, and that's definitely what I need. The redesigned briefcase handle is foldable for convenient storage and features a new ergonomic handle to make it easier and faster to install and switch to briefcase mode. This is another plate that gives you a longer arcade swiss plate, and you can slide from left to right little bit more. So this is a really good idea from DJI. The next thing we have here is the battery grip, which looks really nice. Phone holder is very good thing if you want to attach your phone and use it as a monitor. Here we have a bunch of instructions, a rod mount kit, and where you can attach a focus motor. Let's get back to accessories that you get in this case. Next comes the USB-C charging cable. A couple of nuts and bolts for camera plates. Multi-camera control cable. The lens support bracket. Here you have also a bunch of cables that are mini HDMI to micro HDMI, mini HDMI to HDMI, USB-C power cable, and mini HDMI to mini HDMI. Another one lens bracket, focus gear strip for focus motor, and for the end we have a lens fastening support, which is very interesting thing to work with. Large built-in 1.8-inch OLED full-color touchscreen increases the screen size by 28% compared to RS2, making it incredibly convenient to set parameters and check shooting status and adjust track subjects. That would be all of this amazing unboxing video, and I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching, and drop like, sub and follow me over on Instagram. See you!